What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We are finally getting started on the Overland build on the Tacoma. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, we got this Tacoma from auction and we fully fixed it up. It was damaged in the front. Now we're continuing on and building this Tacoma to become an amazing Overland experience. We got a very special package here from Billy Bars. That's gonna be our base for our Overland tent. We got some crossbars. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get these opened up. Let's see what we got in here. All right, after much struggle, we got all of this opened up here. Look how beautiful that looks. So what we got here is we have some Billy Bars, crossbars that go on the bed of the truck. And what I went with is some 8-inch brackets to give me a little bit of a taller look, not to take up too much bed space. And we got 2 crossbars, and then I also got a molly panel. This is for a 6-foot bed. They have a little bit shorter ones for Tacomas, but I decided to try and get a longer one to make this almost the size of the bed and see how that looks. Absolutely love the design on this. Look how beautiful that looks. So if you've never heard of Billy Bars, first of all, you're welcome. Second of all, these are probably one of the most high quality, affordable crossbars bed racks you could get for a Tacoma currently. They are manufactured and made in the United States. The crossbars are made out of aluminum, super good quality, very high strength, very, very well made. The brackets are actually steel powder coated brackets, and the manufacturer on them is amazing. They look really, really good quality. They definitely took their time to perfect their product. And it also comes with some security hardware that's really easy to put on and take off to keep your truck a truck if you need that bed space. If you guys are interested in these Billy Bars, crossbars, make sure you check them out. I'm gonna have the link down below. They don't just do crossbars. Obviously, they're known for the crossbars, but they have lots of good stuff on their website that you might be interested in for your truck. They also don't just do Tacomas, they have other truck stuff as well. So make sure you guys check them out. But without further ado, let's get this installed. This should be a very, very easy install. I'm anticipating it's gonna take me like 15 minutes. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to combine these screws right here with these brackets, just like that. And we're going to slide 4 on each side of the rail, and we'll go from there. Once you get those bolts slid into the rail, the next thing you're going to do is just grab one of the brackets and put it on there, and then just hand tighten it with a washer first and then nut on top. If you guys have the OEM tie downs that come with the Tacoma, don't forget to put those in before you put the brackets. Position them however you want. I know they're probably the worst tie downs in the world. If anybody has any recommendations to replace those tie downs, I would appreciate it as well in the comments. But yeah, don't forget to put those in. All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to line this up as best as I could with the other one, and I'm gonna tighten it about 3/4 of the way down, just so we still have that playroom to tighten it down after. We need to still put in the crossbars, so that's the reason we're leaving it not all the way tightened down. So to tighten down the crossbars, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the screw, we're gonna get a locking washer and a regular washer, and we're just gonna tighten down with the tool that's provided. Once you position the billy bars exactly where you want them, make sure they're nice and straight, go ahead and just tighten everything down and you are good to go. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is set up that beautiful molly panel. We're going to go ahead and put on this side. I only got one side for now just to see how it looks. So far I put it on there and I really like it, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase the other side to match it. But we got all the hardware right here. We got the mid-height molly panel. We got washers for each side. We got some nuts, got some bolts, and same exact tool tightened down, and this bracket where I'm going to show you where to put. So that little spacer that came with the kit for the molly panel, you're going to put it right there, right in front of the billy bar bracket, and you're going to tighten down the molly panel right on top of that. I went ahead and just put one bolt on there to hold everything in place while I do the other side. I obviously didn't put the bracket, I just left that there to hold the molly panel in place. right, guys, that is all. Super easy install. I still need to get the other side MOLLE panel to match the other side on the truck, make it look a little nicer, but I'm really happy I went with the mid-height one and the longer one for the 6-foot bed. Make sure you guys get yourself some of these. Hit that link in the description. Make sure you go check out Billy Bars. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. In the next video, we're gonna be throwing on the Overland tent that I purchased and going camping. You guys don't want to miss it. Super excited. This is just phase 1. Next phase is going to be some wheels and lift. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.